Hey everybody, today we have here another package that came here to fix. This is an iPad mini model A1489. Uh, it says that the digitizer is not working, so somebody was trying to replace the FPC connector, and they have caused more damage on the motherboard. So I'm going to remove here the LCD, and let's have a look on the microscope. Okay, as you can see, the FPC connector is it's damaged. Probably someone was trying to replace the screen, because I noticed the screen is maybe it's not working. It has some spots here that probably has been caused the damage. So then I will have to do a test with it. Just disconnect also here the battery. So it's missing here two pieces of the metal plate from the FPC connector. So what we are going to do is we're going to remove it, then try to put a new one here to see if we can resolve the issue. Well, it seems I have here a problem with my air station. I was using 400 degrees to remove the FPC connector. It seems that it's not working very well lately. I'm going to try to use a different approach. I'm going to use the solder iron. Okay, a little bit of whole melted solder. And I'm going to try to remove it. What I'm doing is not the proper way, because if I do this, it can cause more damage on the pads, and it will not go into pieces. If you're watching this, please don't try to do this if you don't have the proper experience. If you want to do something like this, try to use donor boards, okay? to avoid causing problems with the customer. Okay, it's solid now. So I was using the airflow, and then the pads was started to get liquid, and it pick up the FPC connector. So just gonna clean it up, let it dry, let it cool down a little bit. So I'm gonna cool down a little bit, then I'm going to do the test. Okay, so now let's gonna try it. Let's power on. Okay, we have Apple logo. Okay, it seems the touch is not working. I need to double check if the FPC connector is touching all the pads. And just have a look on the back on the microscope. Okay, so we are back. I was checking if the FPC connector was not soldered well. So the method that I was using was apply hot air on the FPC connector so that will allow to the pads to melt the solder. Then we'll able to connect much more faster because this is the only way that I can do this because I don't have any other tools available for this. I don't have a hot razor, so I'm just using this small solder iron. The tip is very thin, but it doesn't allow me to to check the other pads, which is are almost near to the capacitors. So the what I have found out, the problem was not related with the FPC connected, but yes, with the digitizer itself was not working. I have here one that is already, it's already broken, but I'm used for test. That at the beginning the home button was not working, but now as you can see, it displays already the screen. So if I press again the power button, it will show up the passcode. So I'm typing all the numbers, deleting, so it works. Well, I cannot open it, I don't have at the moment here the passcode, but at least it's working. So my job here is done, and another happy customer for this. So I'm going to leave it charging because it came without any battery. And I'm gonna contact the customer and tell him that the job has been done. So the job is done. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.